In this video, I'll show you how to make 3D action figure trending photos with Gemini. So if you want to make this kind of stunning photos just by using your smartphone, then here is how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to make 3D action AI photos, the very first thing that you have to do, go and open up the Play Store from your phone. And from the Play Store, go and tap on the search bar and search for Google Gemini. And once you have searched with the Google Gemini, you just need to go and tap on this and you'll get to see the first application. You just need to tap on this and you just need to install the application first. I already installed this one, so I'm going to tap on open. And this will get into the Gemini homepage. This will be automatically log in with your Gmail account. Then the very first thing that you have to do now to create the photo, you just need to tap on this filter icon at the bottom here. You just need to tap on this and select the create image option. And once it gets selected, go and tap on this plus icon here. And then tap on gallery and this will show up all of your gallery photos. Go ahead and select the photos that you want to create the image with. So I'm going to select these photos for example. And now you just need to enter the image prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the image prompt here. I already copied the text from here. And this text I will give you in the comment section. This will be pinned so you can copy the text from the comment section and you can paste it on your photos as well. And once you have uploaded the photos and given the text prompt, the very next thing that you have to do is simply go and tap on the send button and you're pretty much good to go. This will take a little time. You just need to wait some time. And after some time, your photo will be generated. If I scroll down, you'll get to see the photo has been created. Now we can actually tap on these. And from this page, you can actually tap on this download button in order to download it to your gallery. Now this has been successfully saved. So if I get back from here and open up my gallery, here as you can see, this photo has been successfully saved here. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.